terrestrial animals. The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animals to their carts. Try another one. That's right, it's a duck. Way to go, it's a monkey. Very good, it's a panda. Yay, you got all the animals. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom, boogie. The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. Try another one. That's right, a monkey eats bananas. Yes, panda eats bamboo. That's right, a duck eats corn. What a job you did. You fed all the animals. Boogie boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. Boom, boogie, boom, boogie, boogie, woogie, boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Correct. That's the duck's house. Way to go! That's the monkey's house. Very good. That's the panda's house.